Let's try our hand at the quotient rule. We have f of x equals 4 minus x squared over x minus 2, and we're wondering what the derivative is. So here's the quotient rule, which can be easily mentally encoded using lo-dee-hi minus hi-dee-low over the square, and away we go. Pause the video, use the quotient rule to evaluate that derivative, and then we'll compare notes. Okay, well, we have low for the denominator here, so we'll call that low, and we'll call the numerator high. Okay, just in using this little jingle here. So f prime of x is then f prime of x here. Okay, so we have lo-dee-hi, so that means we just write the low, times the derivative of the high. So derivative of 4 minus x squared is negative 2x. Minus hi-dee-low, so minus high, we just write the top there, 4 minus x squared with no derivative, right? And I'm careful to put those parentheses around it. It's simply 1 over the square, and away we go. Okay, so now we just take all of that over x, oops, glitching out a little bit there, x minus 2 squared. Okay, we're done with the calculus, all algebra from here, which doesn't necessarily mean easy. Let's see what we can do here. I'm going to distribute this negative 2x through to both those terms. We have negative 2x squared plus 4x. Distribute the negative through to these two terms here, gives us minus 4 plus x squared all over x minus 2 quantity squared. Let's clean this up a little bit here. So I'm seeing negative x squared plus 4x minus 4 all over x minus 2 quantity squared. It seems like we can't cancel much more right here, but I'm going to take it a step further. I'm going to factor a negative out of here. If we factor a negative out, we get x squared minus 4x plus 4 all over x minus 2 squared. And now note that this here, x squared minus 4x plus 4, is a perfect square trinomial. So we have negative x minus 2 quantity squared. Look at that, over x minus 2 quantity squared. Look at that cancellation, leaving us with negative 1. So that entire derivative boiled down to simply negative 1. Every once in a while we get nice cancellation like that. Oftentimes it just gets messier and messier. I guess we kind of lucked out in this case.